Hello guys, welcome back to KUKI channel. My name is Regina.
My name is Alice.
My name is Jenny.
So today we are going to do unboxing of these three products, and two is from Amazon and one is from Flipkart. So before opening these products, please do share,
Subscribe.
Like.
and comment down below if this products, if you like it or not. So let's get started. So guys, now we have here this so we have this one mobile stand. So let's see inside. So here guys, I have the mobile stand. So there is another pack. There's here inside. This is the mobile stand. So let's open it. Here guys, and this is like steel type thing. If you want to if you want to make the mobile stand, then you can just put it here. If you want to watch any films or some videos, so you can just use this for this mobile stand. And now we are going to open the next product first. So guys, now the next product will be opened by Alice.
So now guys, we're going to open the next product, that is a Wi-Fi adapter. So let's open it first.
What's it?
So here is the Wi-Fi adapter.
150.
It is 150 Mbps. You can, if you want to connect internet data, you can even connect internet data with in phone and laptop and computer. So let's open it again. So here we already opened. There is a CD or this compact disc, and here. So this is the software adapter and this is the adapter. Here is compact disc here, and here is the some information so that we can use it. So now let's open the next product.
So now we are going to open these speakers, which you can use in laptops and computers. So now Jenny is opening the speakers, and we'll see if it's a bad product or a good product. So let's see the inside.
It's a good speaker.
It's here it's the speaker.
There.
And it's called 2.0 speaker. It's from Zebronics. And now we are going to open also inside. Let us see.
What's inside?
It's like this colors. It's like colorfuls like this. RGB. Here is the speakers. This is the wires that it's attached, both of them.
Small, but it's nice.
Here is. So we are going to test this, okay, if it works nicely or not. So let's get started. So
Now guys,
So now we are going to try it. And guys, here now it's changing the colors. It's green, blue, purples and all. So it's working now.
It's changing Every color is changing the colors.
So guys, here is it. And if you want to do the volume up, you can just turn like this and down like this. So this is the speakers. This is the speakers RGB, and it's a very nice product. And we just finished to open this, and now that's all. Now that's all. We have already tested, and we have all opened the 3 products, and we finished the unboxing also. So guys, always watch the KUKI channel, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment down.
And ring the bell icon, and don't skip the ad even in VAIPHEI channel and even in every videos from KUKI channel. Thank you.
Bye guys.